What's up guys, welcome to the channel You Need Gains. My name is Mateusz, call me Matt. So with the recent COVID-19 outbreak, I decided to finally start my YouTube and make some videos, home workout videos, because even though in the UK the gyms are still open, I have a feeling they're going to close really soon. So I'd rather just adapt early and be ready for it when they do. They might not, we don't know. So the issue with working out at home is that it's really hard to replicate the same stimulus that you get at the gym without working in the 50 to 100 rep range. So I try to think of exercises which are sort of in the 15 to 30 rep range, right? Like that's where you sort of reach failure. So a quick review, I actually waited one day, so I did the workout yesterday because I wanted to see how I feel the next day. So triceps, pretty sore today, I have to say. Biceps, not so much. Doesn't mean I didn't get a good workout, although during the workout I would say I was feeling the triceps working more than the biceps. But yeah, the point was to minimize any equipment because we are working from home. We don't all have a few £100 spare to splash on home equipment. So all you need is a band for this workout. And I did the whole thing in just a little corner in my house, deliberately just to show that you don't need a lot of space or any equipment to do this. So I've seen a number of home workouts already. Mostly they tend to be full body workouts, which makes sense. But obviously I know a lot of my boys and everyone else, we want to hit our arms. So that's what I started with. Basically, this is going to be an arm workout. So let's get into it.
First exercise is a compound movement for the biceps. This is a bicep push-up. So the intent here is to curl the floor with your biceps. Now I know this sounds crazy, but by rotating your wrists backwards and leaning forward on the way down and maintaining the lean on the way back up, you're influencing and emphasizing the biceps during this movement. You can use parallettes if you get wrist pain, and if you elevate the surface, you will influence the biceps more. It is a pretty tough exercise, so you might only be able to get a few reps on the first go. Next is a doorway curl. You're basically curling your body weight, and by stepping more into the frame, you'll make it more difficult for yourself. Next, we're using a band to do neutral grip curls at a slight angle. You want to just tie the band to a sofa leg or a chair or anything like that and just curl. Strict form, no swinging. Switching it to supinated grip now. With the band, depending on how much resistance you get, you're going to vary the reps accordingly. Now we're using our legs to basically change the resistance of the band as well. So the more you open your legs, the more difficult you'll find it to curl this way. This also means you don't need any other equipment to tie the band to. You can do neutral, supinated, pronated with this version. Moving on to triceps, first exercise is the tiger push-up. The easiest version is with the knees down. Now for a more advanced version, you can do an incline. Make sure you're pushing your entire body through the triceps only. Really squeeze the triceps. I definitely felt the burn on this one. Now this was actually a superset, so I went straight into tricep bodyweight extensions. Now you can play with how close you are to the object and the height of the object for a different difficulty. Moving on to band kickbacks. Again, depending on the strength of your band, you'll find it easier or harder. Mine was pretty difficult to fully extend my elbow. I probably could have used a lighter band for this exercise.
So that's the first video, first workout done. I've got a Q&A coming up soon, which has already been recorded with a friend of mine, Mark. So that will probably be the next video, and let me know what other workouts you want to see. I mean, I will obviously cover like chest, back, or push-pull, legs. But if you've got any more ideas for what you want to see, just let me know. Please subscribe, like, share. Also follow my Instagram, it's also Unique Gains. I'll leave that here. I've actually started my Instagram before my YouTube, so I have a lot of workouts there already, so check that out. And thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.